નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Standard 9th, Subject Science, Chapter 13, Why Do We Fall Ill? Dear students, today we are going to learn the new lesson and very interesting lesson. So in this lesson or in this chapter, we are going to learn meaning of disease and health and its failure, disease and its causes, and infections and non-infectious diseases, health factors, infectious diseases, means of spread, principle of treatment, and principles of prevention. So these are the things, or these are the headings we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, first of all, we'll see what is here given. But there are two reasons why do we fall ill. Why you are going to fall ill? Ill means become, what you are saying, become illness or not well. So you know that there are two reasons. There are two reasons. It may be of bad health or maybe of diseases, bacteria and virus. So these are the things going to affect us. So first of all, we will see that what is health. You know that what is health means physical, mental and social. So what is health? This health includes, these are the three main aspects. So physical, mental and social well-being. Okay, physical means what? Our body should functioning of body organs. If our body organs are so well, so means that this is related to the physical. Okay, physical health we are saying. Now the next one is mental. Mental means what? Whatever we are going to do or what we are going to do the work. So we should get satisfaction. Or if you are going for playing, so whenever you will win, or like that, the mental satisfaction you will get. So this is the satisfaction, mental satisfaction should be there. And social. Social means what? Wherever you go, or with your friends, keep our good relations, so that we will be well with them. So we are very communicative with them. So this comes in the social, means good relation. So these three aspects are related to the health. So now we will see some of the text lines here. So whenever you know that sometimes earthquakes in some of the regions are given, Bhuj and Kashmir, or cyclones in the coastal regions. So these are all the different ways of possible in which people's health would be affected. So in these ways, people health affected by such a disaster. Such a disaster means such a destruction took place in our neighborhood. There also our health will affect. It will affect our health. And another way is, see, how many these ways can think of are events that would occur. These events would occur. So when the disaster is actually happening. So this is the mental. It is creating a mental health. And how many of these health related events would happen long after the actual disaster? So this is about the physical health. So what would one affect to the health fall into the first group, into the second group? So like this social. So like this way, the health depends upon physical, mental as well as social aspect. So you realize that health and disease in human communities, see this health and as well as disease, the human communities are very complex issue. So difficult to say that. With many interconnected causes will be there. We also realize that the ideas of that health and disease means are themselves very complicated. Both are very complicated, health and disease. So when we ask what causes disease, sometimes the disease, what it may be the reason and how we have to prevent them. So we have to begin by asking what is the notions means. What is the notion means? What is the symptom or idea means? Okay. So you have seen that cells are the basic units of organisms. So you know that cells are the basic units. Okay, and these cells are made up of variety of chemical substances such as proteins, carbohydrates, fats, or lipids. Okay, these are the things and so on. So in this way, a cell is a dynamic place. The cells continuously going to change it. Cell is a dynamic place. Something or the other is always happening inside them. Some of the changes always it will be there. Okay, inside the cells. Complex reactions and reactions goes in the cells. New cells are being made in our organs or tissues. Okay, so there are various specialized activities going on in our body, like heart is beating and the lungs are breathing and the kidney is filtering the urine, the brain is thinking. So these are the activities going on continuously in our bodies. So after all these activities are interconnected, so it are interconnected. For example, you say if the kidneys are not filtering the urine, suppose if the kidney is not filtering urine, and poisonous substances, what will happen? Will accumulate in our bodies. So ultimately, the person will fall ill. So under such conditions, the brain will not be able to think properly. Okay, like this. See, one to one, it means that one to one interconnected will be there. So for all these interconnected activities, energy and raw materials are needed. Energy is needed and raw materials like water, food, these are the materials are needed for us. So food is necessary for the cell and tissue function. So what is required? Ultimately the food. So anything that prevents proper functioning of the cells and tissues will lead to a lack of proper activity. See, suppose here given anything that prevents proper functioning. So what is going to be proper way functioning? Prevention in the cells and tissues. That is the lack of activity in our bodies. Okay. Now we will see health and its failure. So what is good health? So good health means what? Absence of infection. Any infection should not be, and the disease. So in this way, these are all related to good health. Suppose if the person's body is absence of infection, any infection will be not there, or disease not there. So such a persons are called as, or such a person is good in the health. And absence of mental problems. So any mental problems or mental worries. Okay. So if it is not there, means so persons will be good health. He can keep the good health and proper balance of diet. So if our food is the proper balanced one, then also we can maintain our good health. So these are all needs to be good health. So which one? Absence of infection and disease, and absence of mental problems, and proper balanced diet. So these are all about the creating the good health. And no social tension. So social tension means in our environment, our way of behaving with our neighbors. So this is also leads to, so without tension, that is also leads to good health. And freedom from anxiety, ANXIETY. So means freedom of worries. So this also will help us keeping the good health. And complete physical fitness. So the persons, if those persons or the persons, if they are completely physically fitness will be there. So they are keeping, or those persons will be of having good health. See, we have heard that health is used quite frequently. Okay, we use it ourselves as well as when we say things. Okay, sometimes you know that grandmothers or grandfathers, when they are not well, they are not able to go outside. If they are well, then they will go outside. So if you think about it, we realize that it is always implies the idea of being well. So health is mainly required, and how to maintain our health. So we can, so for our grandmothers or grandfathers, being able to go out the market or visiting anywhere. So those who are health is well, so they can wander or they can go. If they are in the poor health, so they cannot go somewhere. So that is why we can understand the world is called a healthy attitude. So the persons need a healthy attitude. So while not being interested is called the opposite. So health is therefore a state of well-being to function and well-being, functioning each physically, mentally and socially. Socially well-being, physically well-being and mentally well-being. So then you can say that this is about our health. So person and communities issues both matter for the health. So if the health means that physical, mental and social well-being, it cannot be something that, or it cannot be something that each one of us achieve entirely of our own. So only the health of all the organisms will depend upon their surroundings. See, health depends upon our surroundings, means our environment or their environment. The environment includes physical environment. So for example, health is at risk if any cyclone arises or in our neighbors or human beings. You know that human beings are living in societies. Our social environment therefore is an important factor in our health aspect or in our individual health. So we live in the villages, towns or cities, whatever it may be, whether may be living in cities, villages. Okay, in such places, even our physical environment is decided our social environment. So physical as well as social. So these are related to one another. So consider, for example, what would happen if no agency is ensuring that garbage is collected. So you know that whenever garbage is collected or disposed, so what would happen if no one takes responsibility for them? So know that in our surroundings, so garbage is stored, know that mosquitoes or some of the flies, so this will breed in there. So they will raise their numbers, number of diseases will spread. So that is why here what is given, ensure that water does not collect in the streets or open places. So if there is a great deal of garbage thrown in our streets and if there is an open drainage water lying stagnant, means gathered at one place around where we are living, so then what will happen? Ultimately the poor health increases. So therefore, dear students, we should keep our public cleanliness is important. For individual health, public, so that is why our health depends upon our surrounding also, our society also, our environment also. Okay. So we need food also to be healthy. And this food will have earned by doing the work. So you know that the food is important. For this, the opportunity to do the work is, so all this one-to-one connection will be there. For the food we have to work. So opportunity also should be required. And we need to be happy in order to truly with healthy. If mistreat with each other or are afraid of each other, we cannot be happy and healthy. So if we are misbehaving or if we are what we are saying, afraid with someone, so then also what this will affect our health problems. So this will affect our health. So social equality, social and harmony, peace, therefore necessary for individual health. So dear students, so our health depends upon the social, physical as well as mental. Okay. So now these are all well. Okay. Now healthy persons can be or can say disease-free person. So the question is there, can you say this healthy? Okay, the person is physical, mental, social, everywhere good. So can we say those person be a disease-free person? Okay. So this we'll learn in the next video. Thank you. Thank you for joining us.